Look at my child. I made her chicken. I offered it to her, but no. She's eating my spaghetti. She's eating the spaghetti. And she loves peas. So she gets herself some peas every time. You like that? I don't know why she thinks that tastes better than her chicken. But anyway, that was a nice little treat for her. And now I'll go dish myself up some more. Looks like that has become her bowl. And I'll have to give myself another dish. That's my child. My little nomad child. I'm just glad I've had her for this long. November 3rd, she'll be 16 years old. Yep. Just drinking her water. She might come back and have some more spaghetti. My nomad child eating spaghetti. See, that's a blessing. We've got food and a place to cook. You want some more spaghetti, baby? Oops. Y'all have a nice night or day, whatever time you're seeing this. Count your blessings. Look real hard till you find them all. Be grateful.